Hello everybody, my name is Angelo. Today I want to tell you about do-it-yourself video. One of the day, Helen's sitting in her room. She dissatisfied to her rooms because she wants to renovate her room, and one of her friends, David, gave a suggestion to move the bed under the window, and Matt gives a suggestion to put the Wi-Fi on the chest of drawer, and David gives a suggestion to put the chair in the corner of his room, and then Jane gives a suggestion to paint Helen's room. The problem is Helen doesn't like painting because she is not a practical person, and she also has an appointment with her friend. After that, she leaves it to her friend. The play day is divided, and David asks the pedestrian, and the pedestrian say, go straight on, turn left, and roundabout, and the other store is next to the supermarket, and they arrive at the other store. Matt have an idea to buy a black color, but Jane doesn't like it, and Jane say want to buy the blue color, but they don't buy it because it's too expensive. They found the orange color. The orange color is good and also not expensive, and they buy it and buy a roller. They painted Helen's room, and David say it's good, but interesting. And David and Matt sitting on the stairs, and Helen arrived home, and Helen say, Matt, your t-shirt is horrible. And when Helen opened the door, she screamed. And I think the video is good and it's interesting because when Helen screams, I laugh. And the moral lesson is we have to ask our friends before buying. I think that's okay.
Okay, how are you, Angelo?
I'm fine.
Okay, I want to ask you some questions. What do you think about the video of doing it yourself?
The video is interesting and many scenes can make me laugh.
Okay, can you tell me what is the scene that really make you laugh?
Matt steal the black color,
Mm-hmm.
and also Helen screams.
think that man still the black color?
I think because he wants the black color.
So if let's say he take the black color, do you think that he pays for the black color? No.
I think no.
No, he really steal it from the Edwin store. Okay, what will he do with the black color?
I take it
For Helen's room. But he doesn't use it. What will he do?
I think for his house.
For his house, his room. Okay. Angelo, what is the moral lesson that you can take from the video?
We have to ask before buying.
We have to ask before buying.
Yeah.
Okay. If let's say your father asks you or your mom asks you, like, how is the decoration do you want to have for your bedroom?
I want to change the color.
You want to change the color. What do you want?
I want to change the color become yellow again.
Become yellow. Why do you want to have yellow?
Because I like yellow.
You like yellow. Why do you like yellow?
Because I think it's interesting
Mm-hmm.
and good.
It's good. How about the stuff inside? What do you want to put there?
I want to do your table.
New table.
Yeah.
New table for you to study.
Yeah.
Okay, Angelo, the last question. What is the the moral lesson that I asked you? Okay, what do you think about Helen?
I think Helen is busy. I think she is beautiful. She is beautiful and I think she is short.
Sure. What do you think about her? Like, the friend already helped her to paint the room, but she still doesn't like to see the color. What do you think about that?
I think Helen can cancel the last appointment and she has to help her friends.
She has to help the friend to paint it. Okay, and then tell what she likes. Okay. Alright, just give me 3 questions. Angelo?
Why Helen doesn't like orange color?
I think orange color maybe is too bright for her. That's why she doesn't like it. Then?
Does Helen a practical person?
No, she's not a practical person.
Why Helen want to renovate her?
Because she feels bored with the room and then also she wants to have a new atmosphere for her room.
Okay.
Done? I think.
Let's see next one.
Okay, thank you, Angelo.